how's it going? I'm Dr. Nashlie Sephus with The Bean Path, and I am the founder of The Bean Path, also a Jackson, Mississippi native, Murrah High School graduate. Also went to Mississippi State for my computer engineering degree, as well as Georgia Tech for my computer engineering PhD. And since then, I've done a whole host of things, including had a startup that was acquired by Amazon. I'm currently an applied scientist at Amazon in artificial intelligence, currently acting as a machine learning tech evangelist. However, what I'm most proud of is the work that we've done at the Bean Path. And we have been around for 3 years. We are actually celebrating our 3-year anniversary this fall, October 16th. Please save the date. Follow us on our website. We have a lot of more information coming. So you may be wondering, what is the Bean Path? So Bean Path is a nonprofit that I founded with a team back in 2018. And so what we do, we give free tech help. We actually started in the local libraries, such as the Medgar Evers Library and other libraries throughout the city. What we also wanted to make sure was that we were helping people with technology, helping them enable their businesses, helping youth and mentoring small businesses and startups, and also just giving people the enablement and the encouragement that they needed from tech experts. So we would set up shop and have lots of volunteers to help with anything from app development to questions you may have about starting a new tech company or getting into coding. These are all things that I think we should be able to talk about as a community. Everyone should have access to these things, especially given the current situation with a lot of people being virtual and a lot of learning. I think it's very important now more than ever that many people understand the importance of technology and using those tools to help you have a better way of life. Now, let's talk about some of the things that we offer, which, by the way, again, please check out our website, thebeanpath.org. That's TheBeanPath.org. You can sign up for free tech office hours. So we have several people willing to help and sit down with you one-on-one. You can get a 20-minute help session. You can sign up every month if you want to. We usually do them every second Saturdays. We're getting ready to ramp up and do them a lot more. But definitely call in. We love to have you sign up so that we can help you with whatever it is that you need help with in terms of technology. Also, what we've done a lot of youth programs. We actually are giving away scholarships. So please check that out. We believe it's really important to show up in the community in various ways. If you haven't heard, we are moving into our brand new building. It's a sneak peek we will show this fall, this October. We'll be telling you about our brand new home at the Jackson Tech District. And in case you haven't seen it, this is the website for the Jackson Tech District. Is jxntech.district.com. So make sure you check us out. You can see how some of the renderings of the new development. This is along North Gallatin Street. We have a building. It's an old Van Horn building. We'll soon be having that open, and we'd love to have you come out. And don't worry, we're never leaving the libraries. We'll always be there. As soon as the pandemic, we get a handle on that, we'd love to meet you all back in person in the local libraries as well. And so we're growing so much. We definitely appreciate if you would feel free to go to our website. Again, it's thebeanpath.org, and we have a lot to offer there. We're hoping that if you also feel feel free to donate. We have a lot of information about our tech office hours. We also have several information about our past videos that we've done. Every second Saturday, we have a brand new different presentation about tech, whether it's getting into a career in tech. So many that we've done over the years. You can always go back and watch those. We hope you have something that you can benefit from and something that you can learn. And we're just all about educating people about technology. And so hopefully you can take a look at that. Also, we are getting ready to launch a brand new app, and we're really excited about that. It's kind of on the hush right now, but sooner or later we will get that out to you. We will let you be able to sign up for different events. You'll also be able to sign up to any of our old events. We also have several announcements on there that you can take a look at. And then most importantly, just follow us on social media at The Bean Path. We'd love to have you. We'd love for you to comment and engage with us on there. We have a newsletter as well you can sign up for on our website. Again, if any help that you need, tech help, whether you're young or old, many ages, as I say, several years young, very seasoned, we'd love to help you. So definitely come out, definitely support, and we'd love to see you. Thanks so much.